Hey guys, so today we have some awesome news for Minecraft Pocket Edition 0.16.0, also known as the Boss Update. A little bit more on that later. But yeah, Minecon 2016 is now completely over. The developers had a whole section dedicated to Minecraft Pocket Edition, and they talked about the new 0.16 update. So they actually did confirm a release date, which is pretty unusual because generally they have never really given out release dates, and in the times that they have, it ended up getting pushed back. But since we have the beta version, it makes it a little bit easier to tell when they're going to be able to release it because they've been working through bugs and they've submitted different updates. So October 18th is the set release date. We have a little bit of waiting to do, but like I said, we do have the beta version, as a lot of you probably already know, well, at least Android users do, so we'll be able to test some of these things out before it's actually released. So why is this update called the Boss Update? Well, there's two new bosses added to this 0.16 update. First off, we have the Elder Guardian, and then we have a revamped Wither. So the revamped Wither just has a different fighting style. Basically, it fights differently than we've seen in the past. And then the Elder Guardian comes with its ocean monuments along with it, so just extra features and whatnot with that. So one of the coolest things about this presentation they gave was that Minecraft Pocket Edition will be getting its own modding API or official modding support. That means being able to modify the game without needing something like Block Launcher or MCPE Master. You can just import things directly into the game and it'll be ready to go. And I think they're going to be doing this through resource packs because like Tommaso had said in the past, you can modify more things with resource packs on Pocket Edition than you could on, say, PC. Now, PC will probably be getting the same thing, but as for right now, it's going to be just Minecraft Pocket Edition and Minecraft Windows 10 Edition. So yes, Windows 10 Edition will be seeing this same support. But with these resource packs, it's really interesting. They're moving a lot of the mob. How do I say this? The mob information and the mob data. They're moving it into JSON files, which I think has already been done, but they just haven't added the modding support quite yet. So basically, and I'll have a video link down below from Mojang so it kind of explains it a little bit better, but basically through these files, it's just text files. You can edit them and actually edit what mobs look like, their model, their size, what they do, all this stuff. You can edit this through just simple text files. Now, of course, you're going to have to be able to understand exactly what is going on through these files. It's not going to be like plain text where it's straight up English or something like that. It's going to be a little bit more complicated, but really it's not going to be bad, and it is really, really cool. So that is coming. I'm assuming, again, they're using this through resource packs. Resource packs, of course, will be able to change textures and sounds as well. I'm just kind of curious to see exactly how far this is going to be able to let you modify the game. Mod scripts have really taken a huge advantage of Minecraft Pocket Edition and really added some incredible mods, especially when you have a mod script and a texture pack or mod package working together. It is a really, really cool way to mod and has had some just incredible mods. So I'm wondering if this official modding support or these add-ons is going to be able to live up to that and actually be able to compete with mod scripts. It'll be interesting to see, especially with Mod Locator. I make Mod Locator for MCPE, so I'm gonna have to be able to support add-ons as well as mod packages and mod scripts and all this stuff. It's gonna be interesting to see how it plays out and to see whether or not Block Launcher or MCPE Master will even be relevant by the time 0.16 is done and over with. Lastly, we also are getting different commands added. Finally, it's like with commands, it's something that's been there. You can tell, like if you type in 0.15 or 0.14, probably 0.12, maybe even before that. If you type a slash into the chat and try to just type in a command, it just says command not found, meaning they have, some command support, but there's just not an actual command there. Well, finally, we are seeing these commands. So you can type stuff into the chat, just different commands and stuff into the chat, just like you can with Minecraft PC. So you can summon mobs, change the time, change the weather, change blocks. I'm assuming you can change your game mode as well right in game, although when I think about it, I think 0.16 has that just with the settings menu. I don't think you can even need a command for that. I could be wrong, I forget. But yeah, this is Really cool that they're finally adding commands. It's a little bit late, if you ask me. It's something, like I said, that they've had like background support for a while now, but it's just never been taken advantage of. So it looks like they are going to be doing that, and I'm assuming it's going to work hand in hand with add-ons so that developers of add-ons can still add commands to the game, just like you can with mod scripts. Hopefully that's how it works, because there are some awesome mods that use commands and add commands to the game that allow you to do some really cool things. So it'll be really interesting to see how all this stuff plays out. You know, we don't have great examples yet, but we will start seeing more awesome examples of how this stuff is going to be working, especially, you know, these add-ons, once, you know, developers, you know, third-party developers get their hands on it. So I want to know what you guys think of this 0.16 update. I'm pretty excited. I think it's going to be great. I'm going to be adding all of these add-ons and stuff to mod locator for MCPE. It's going to have its own section, assuming that mod scripts are still going to be relevant throughout 0.16, maybe not the end of it, but throughout, you know, most of its lifespan. I'm assuming mod scripts will still be used. So it's going to have its own section. It's going to have, so you can, you know, differentiate between what kind of mod is what. So yeah, I want to know what you guys think. Again, leave your comments down below and tell me what you think of these add-ons and what you think the possibilities are with these add-ons, and just, you know, again, what you think. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Again, link is down in the description. You can learn a little bit more about these add-ons, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.